Good morning, kids. Our subject is English. Are you ready to our lesson for today? If you are ready, you need to listen carefully. Our lesson is all about the personal and demonstrative pronouns. But first, let's have this sentence. Leslie is waiting for the bell to ring. Leslie is excited for recess. Leslie will go to the canteen to buy snacks. So as we can see, we have the noun Leslie. In the example, the word Leslie is repeated in every sentence, and as a result, this sentence is difficult to read. And to improve the sentences, we can write Leslie is waiting for the bell to ring. She is excited for recess and she will go to the canteen to buy snacks. So as we can see, to improve the sentence, we avoided repeating the word Leslie and we replace it with pronoun she. And the word she is an example of pronoun. Now let's have the word pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. By using pronouns, we can avoid repeating the noun in every sentence. And in our examples, the pronoun she replaces the noun Lizzie. Let's have the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be used as the subject or the object of the sentence. A subject pronouns replaces the subject of a sentence. For example, Gian eats lunch with Florence. He eats lunch with Florence. So as we can see in this example, Gian is a noun and we replaces the noun into a pronoun he. Let's have these examples of personal pronouns. So first, we have the one person, the subject pronoun I, and then the object pronoun me. So the function of the I and me is referred to oneself. And we use it in a sentence. I buy snacks at the canteen. And the second sentence, mother prepared a sandwich for me. So in the two sentences, what are the pronouns? The I and me, so referring to oneself or it's referring to one. Next, subject pronoun you and the object pronoun you. So the function of you is to talk to another person. So now let's use in a sentence. You can buy healthy meals at the canteen. I will share my baon with you. So what is the pronoun in the sentences? You. So now the subject pronoun he and then the object pronoun him. And the function of he and him is to talk about a boy. Example, Jerry likes donuts. When we say Jerry is a noun and he is a boy. Example, he always buys at the canteen. I gave him donuts last week. So what are the pronouns in the sentence? He and him. Then next, the subject pronoun is she and then the object pronoun her. And when we say the function of she and her is to talk about a girl. Belle is a cook. So Belle is a girl. So we use she words at the canteen and all the students know her. So what are the pronouns in the sentence? She and her. Next, the subject pronoun it and then the object pronoun eat. So the function of it to talk about animals or the things. Example, I ate an apple for recess. So apple is example of the food and we use it. It was sweet and I bought it for 20 pesos. So what are the pronouns in the sentence? It. Next, we is the subject pronoun and then the object pronoun is us. So what is the function of we and us? To talk about oneself with other people. Example, my friends and I eat together. So we also share snacks and you should join us. So as we can see in this sentence, we're talking about oneself and with other people. That's why we use we and us. Now, let's talk about demonstrative pronouns. So in this lesson, we will learn to talk about the things that are near or far from us. These, this, that, and those are called demonstratives. We use this word to demonstrate, to show, or to point to things or people, and each demonstrative is used for a specific situation, and demonstratives may refer to nouns that are near or far from us. Take a look at these examples. This watermelon is big and heavy. These apples are for sale. So what are the pronouns in this sentence or the demonstrative pronouns? We have this and this. So we use this because it is a singular or we are referring to one, the watermelon. And we use this because we are referring to more than one or in a plural form, the apples. As you can see from the chart, we use this and this to talk about things that are near to us. And this is used for singular and this is used for plural. Here are some examples of demonstrative pronouns. So we have the singular and plural. So as we can see, singulars we are referring to one and plural more than one. So, we use this and this when the things are near from us. I bought this mango at the market. And then these mangoes from the market are sweet. And now we use that and those when the things far from us. That mango looks sweet and those mangoes are sold per kilo. We use that and those to talk about things that are far from us. Here are some examples. That fish seems fresh. Those crabs looks big. So what are the demonstrative pronouns in this sentence? That and those. So as we can see, we use that because the noun is in a singular form. And we use those because the noun is in a plural form or the crabs. And that is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for listening, kids. Have a great day, everyone. God bless.